Alright, we're here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. 1st of February 2011. Huge blizzard. And there's lightning and thunder. Pretty awesome. Trying to get out of a parking lot deep in Milwaukee at a factory. And the old Sea Dragon here, with the Lord's blessing, gonna make it to Dodge County. Hopefully within 2-3 hours. We got whiteout conditions, and like I say, we just had some lightning and thunder here in the wintertime. It's pretty awesome, but pretty spectacular. Gonna have to take it slow on the F-150 Silver Dragon here. God bless you folks. See you at home. Bearpaw signing out.